Changing an image background can be tough, but Canva's new AI background generator makes it super easy. This tool lets you switch a boring or messy background for something fun and cool in seconds. You don't need to be a designer or use expensive apps. Just have a good idea and a few clicks. And here is a step-by-step guide to help you use Canva's background generator to change your photos. Open Canva on your computer or phone. Click Create a Design and pick the size you want. It could be for a social media post, a slideshow, or even a flyer. When your blank project opens, click Uploads on the left side. Upload the picture you want to work with. Drag your photo onto the design space and make it fit the page. Now click on your photo, then find the Edit button at the top. Click it and choose BG Generator or Background Generator. This is where it all happens. You will see a box where you can type what you want. This is called a prompt. You tell Canva what background you want and Canva will make it for you. A good prompt is clear and short. Type your prompt in the box and click Generate. In a few seconds, Canva will show you 4 backgrounds to pick from. If you don't like them, click Generate again to see new ones. Sometimes you have to try a few times to get the one you love. When you see a background you like, click it to use it. Canva will blend your photo with the new background. If the lighting or colors don't match, click Balance Light to fix it. You can also click Relight if you want more blending. Once you are happy with background, you can move your photo around or make it bigger or smaller. You can add text, stickers or other fun stuff if you want. When it looks good, click Download to save your picture. You can save it as PNG or JPEG. Canva's AI background generator saves time and effort. Before this, changing a background meant using tricky apps or spending hours doing it by hand. Now, you just type a few words and Canva does the work. It's awesome for small businesses who need clean product photos. It's also fun for turning a vacation picture into something wild and giving a selfie a fancy background. Just remember, Canva limits prompts to about 200 characters. So keep your description short and clear. If you ask for too much at once, it might not work well. So I hope you found this simple video tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will do my best to reply.